interested in growing melons into hydroponic system? Today in this video, I am going to share all the details about growing either the muskmelon or the watermelon into a hydroponic system. In this video, we will see how to start plant into the hydroponic system, and also we will see which are the system is best suitable for the growing all the melons. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today in this video we are going to discuss in detail about growing watermelon and muskmelon into DFT hydroponic system. Now DFT system is most suitable system. Besides DFT, we can grow it into media bucket or the coco pit grow bed also, but we are going to grow it into the DFT system. Now watermelon and muskmelon are grown from the seeds, and we must prepare the nursery before starting it into the DFT system. Here we have already prepared our nursery. Here is the watermelon and here is the muskmelon. Now this nursery has reached the stage 4 to 5 leaf stage, and this is the good stage to transplant them into the net cup to transfer finally into the DFT system. Now here you can see all this a raw setup over here. Here we are going to set our DFT system. For that I will give you the update how to set the DFT system. But today in this video I will demonstrate you how to transplant this into the net cup. Now for net cup, earlier we are used to use a 2-inch net pot, but the muskmelon and the watermelon root system is quite vigorous. So we need a little more space for growing the roots, and this time we are going to use this 3-inch net pot for growing the watermelon and muskmelon. Here you can see the net pot. Now what we are going to do, we are going to transplant them and support this plant all around with the clay balls. So that will make the plant sturdy into the system. In the further part of the video, I will demonstrate you how I am going to transplant them into this net pot and settle this plant for the finally shifting it to the DFT system. So now we will see a small demo for preparing the plant for transplanting into the DFT system. Now before that, you must have your nursery ready. You can grow the nursery on yourself, or you can bring the plant from the outside nursery. Make sure these are with the no soil, means the plants are grown only into the coco pit. Those plants only set for the hydroponic. Now we require net cups, we have our clay balls, and we have plants. Now first thing we have done, we have watered this plant thoroughly, so that while removing the plant from the tray, the root ball stay intact. So we have watered them well. Now what we need to do, we need to remove this plant with the tapping. So here we are tapping this plant. We need to do it carefully so that its root ball doesn't get damaged. So here we have taken out this plant, and you can see that this plant has come out with the root ball, and you can see the lot of root all around. Now the planting is very simple. We need to hold the plant into center and fill all the side around with this clay ball. So this will fulfill all the space into the net pot. Once we fill this to the top, we need to tap this pot also. So this will make sure all the clay balls will get into position such that it will not move, and keep the plant into the right erected position. So once we plant it, we will collect it in a tray. Now I will show you one more plant for the transplant. We will take this. Take it out, put it into center, fill it with the clay balls, and in the last we will tap it lightly. So the plant is there. So now you can see that we have collected all this plant into these trays. You can do it in a two-way. Either you can select the tray which is sealed from the bottom and keep the 5 to 7 millimeter water level into the tray and set the plants. Alternatively, we don't have those type of tray more. We have the tray with the hole. So what we are going to do, we are going to first fill all this plant into this and keep regular watering with the jerry can. So with this jerry can we can simply water this plant as regular like this. Now watering we must ensure every 3 to 4 hours. Means 3 to 4 times in a day we must water this plant, and we need to keep this condition until all the plants set and start new root into the from the net pot. Once we see the new root outside, we can later on transfer them to the final DFT system. But first we need to establish the plant like this, then only we can shift to the DFT system. So friends, this is a simple process we can follow for starting our melon plant into the DFT system. So how do you like the process of starting melons into DFT system? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you are interested in such type of growing hydroponically, then please subscribe my channel and put your bell notification button on, so that whenever I put update on the transfer or the nutrition, you will get the notification and you can do it quickly, and by following it you can start growing. So for growing this melon this season, make your preparation, make your plants transfer into the system. Either you can start the nursery or bring the plant from outside and start growing melons into your hydroponic system. Happy growing!